Si Mommy? Andrea. Basa ate? Basa ate? Basa ate. Tapos si... Wag! Sipon. Sipon, no? Oh, read story. Read tayo story. Read. Or, ano gusto mo? Little Red Riding Hood? Gusto na mag-cellphone. Mami. No! Mami. Sate. Wait.
Nagalit si Papa mo.
Yes, Papa. Let's look for a story muna. Bye na. Wait. Oh. We're only gonna read the book preview. Okay, ready? Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time. Wait lang. Once upon a time, there was a little girl living in the woods. Once upon a time, there was a little girl living in the woods. She was called Little Red Riding Hood.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, tell me kung ready na. Ready? A basket of cookies to give to her grandmother. She warned her not to loiter or talk to any strangers on her way. Got it! On the way to her grandmother's house. Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf. Where are you going? Asked the wolf. To the other side of the woods to see my sick grandmother. Mother. Hindi si okay na yan. I will surely greet her too. Thought The wicked wolf so he took a shortcut. Yay! Good job!
Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye muna. Bye!